से लोकेश संभाल के, हाँ तेरा कहीं गियर बॉक्स ना डाल दे। जीप ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಚಪಾತಿ ತಿಂದು I love Bugis family.
I love Sorok family.
We love each other, but not the what you think one. There are only two genders. We support that.
We support that. We support Trump. ಮಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ.
Right now we have reached Mullyanagiri peak. There's a lot of traffic. And this lady to west. West. We since we had come by bus, we had to park it down somewhere. I forgot it. It's just 4 kilometers down. And we came by this jeep. There's another group. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಛತ್ರಿ ಮಾರೆ? ನನಗೂ ಬೇಕು.
ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಛತ್ರಿ? ನನಗೂ ಬೇಕು ಒಂದು.
ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಅದು ಬೇಕಂತ.
ಹಾಂ, ಮುಳ್ಳಯ್ಯನಗಿರಿ ಪೀಕ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು? Since it's Saturday today, there is a lot of traffic. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of traffic on the front. Endri madam, endri media. ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಗಾಳಿನೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So much of greenery on this side and too much of greenery, human greenery on this side, and this beauty over here who always hides her face, Miss Pratiksha S. She's posing herself. Yes, Shapna, what happened? Please tell, you can continue. Girls, that's what I said.
Tituli who never flies.
Tituli has no wings.
One is cut.
So we had to climb from that point although to the top. Tired, but there's a lot of people over here. They have a temple at the top again. Some more steps to climb. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಆಕಳ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ.
ನಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಿ ಅದ ಅಂತ.
ದೇವ್ರದ್ದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಇದು ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಡಿ ಉಂಟು. Yes. Where? You're not coming? Okay. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. She's coming now. Where's Pratiksha? She's here. Yeah, Pratiksha.
I think this is the place when this all place was under the sea. This is the
Under the sea?
Yeah.
Right. I
See, this
appreciate your intelligence.
way of streams flowing. So that's why the
ಅದು ಅಂಡರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
it became the
So right now we are at this top of the mountain and यहाँ पे एक मंदिर है. So some of us have come up to visit the temple while some are staying there down. Who's this? Sorry. Say it once again. What if Malayali goes to animal and animal goes to Malayali, the danger will be to animal. Wait. What do you mean by that? Can you elaborate, please?
What do you mean by that?
Yes, you are a racist.
Don't you understand their emotion towards animals?
No, I'm saying they're animal lovers.
Don't forget your TV.
This is the temple. I am not sure. See, Bajrang Bali ki jai. ನಿಮ್ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅದು. And since now we have completed our this visit. My entire team has reached down, I guess, but I'm the only one left out here. Let's run down. Munde. Bande means rock. Kallu means stones. Munde means below. ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ
ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ?
ಡ್ರೈ ಚರ್ಮುರಿ ತಂದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ ಅವರು ಈಗ ದಬಾಕೊಂಡು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ರನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಶಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಫೈನ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್.
ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಬೀಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಳ್ಳಯ್ಯನಗಿರಿ ಪುರಿ ಉಂಡೆ ತಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕುಂಭಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟಿನ್ ಬೀಬರ್
सस्ता माल झुकना नहीं.
कोल्ड प्ले एंड जस्टिन बीबर
वाटर नहीं मिल रहा.
वाटर बॉटल
क्या पीना पता नहीं.
लोकेश डिक्की
फुल ड्रोल ಮಾಡಿ.
लोकेश डिक्की प्रतीक्षा बोनेट प्रतीक्षा बोनेट ಬೇರೆ ಅಂತ someone in front.
सस्ता जस्टिन बीबर eating puri.
This going another. Very far up better. How many are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Going under?
Don't know.
Huh? Don't know. Anything to say? Anything to say?
ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Pratiksha went already. In that cab only she went.
Because no one has cash. ನಿಲ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
ಹೀರೋ ಸಾವು.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಬೇಡ ಮರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗುರುಗುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ನಾನು.
ಇರು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅವ್ರು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹುಡ್ಕೊ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
ಇರೋದೇ 2 ಜನ,
ನಿಂಗೆ.
ದೇವಿಕಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೌಸಿಯಾ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವ್ರೆ? ಕುಕುಂಬರ್. So now we are having lunch. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Abhi lunch hoga, and after that we're gonna go to Jhari Falls. Guys, this is the exact reaction I expected. Everyone got serious. So what do we have for lunch today? Chapati, chicken curry, rice,
dal,
then
green chicken.
Nice. Anyhow, I'm a vegetarian. Doesn't excite me. So people, this is our entire team having lunch together. So right now we are heading towards the Jhari Falls. It's 4:30 34, 40, I guess.
For 800 rupees.
Yeah, totally we were 20 people in the team. So we have arranged for 4 jeeps and 5 in each. And we are the last one to go there. We have timing still 6:30. I guess it's 2 hours that we can enjoy the water. And this bhaiya for sure is gonna give us a hell of a ride. I have no trust on him, to be honest. If you guys see this vlog, then think that I'm alive. If you guys see this vlog on YouTube, I'm alive. Good on this road.
Direct to Delhi. No need of jeep, kind.
सीधा आया. We have some traffic jam over here.
Here also, see.
Yes, that is what happens when Bangaloreans go everywhere. She's struggling out there. You need great skills to ride here. Oh my God.
Actually, easily 6 people can sit.
8 people can sit. Yeah, backside 6 here.
2 people here. Patla. Oh yeah, actually. How come you speak good Hindi? Usually Karnataka people doesn't speak good. But it's a border.
A border, so?
No,
Border, I speak Konkani there.
exactly.
It's Konkani there. Mumbai doesn't come there. Goa is Konkani.
People doesn't speak, but we speak good.
You know Hindi?
Hyderabad.
Arey oh,
Obviously. Sometimes.
You can get down now. Look at the place where he's standing. There. It goes a little bit, that's it, down. Breathe that air. So after a hell of a ride on that jeep,
Look at our faces.
yes, look at that scary face.
Dusty face.
Scary face. Look at that model face. So yeah, after a hell of a ride on this jeep, I think we have reached somewhere close to the Jhari Falls. The driver bhaiya has dropped us somewhere close to the falls. पता नहीं कहाँ है, लेकिन we are walking some 200 meters and we'll be close by to the falls. There are a couple of friends. सब धूल खा रहे हैं यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं. मैं भी धूल ही खा रहा हूँ. अभी अच्छा वाला खाना खाया था, मैंने अभी धूल खा रहे. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಆದಿತ್ಯ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೇ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಅವನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದಂತೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನಿದು ಧೂಳು. So you can hear the sound of the water flowing. I mean, you can't hear it, I can hear it, sorry. Another 100 meters hardly. There's a line of jeeps that take people from here to there, from there to here. सब धूल खिला रहे हमको. भागो. हाँ? ಯಾರು ಆಡಲಿ ಆಟಾಡ್ದಿರಲಿ ನಮಗೇನು, ನಾವು ಆಟಾಡೋದು. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡಾದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ನಂಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ದುಡ್ಡು.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಾವು.
ಏ ನನಗೆ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
ಈ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಜೊಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರ ನೀವು. ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನಂಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಬಿದ್ರಾ
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕೈ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ತಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಕೈ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಶುಭ ಕಾಮ ಆಯ್ತು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಮುಂಚೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ದ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಕಿಡಿಂಗ್, ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. Hey, did anyone pay no rate?
No, not
No rate? Okay.
Oh my god, don't do this, man.
That was just a prank.
All the people.
Yeah, that is why I just planned here. and looking at those, you can never tell they went into water. So Pratiksha did a Shubharam over here.
Oh,
She slipped properly.
oh, yo. She's fine?
Yeah, nothing happened.
But now she's in the water.
No, they just here, front there.
Just slipped and fell.
Nothing major. It's fine.
What else happened to me?
You left her alone, that is why.
Yeah. How far is it?
100 meters.
Oh, yeah.
Finally reaching out to the Jhari Falls. The beautiful Jhari Falls. There's some other name to this also. I'm not remembering that. So here we are going to play. The entire team is going to get into the water. And we're going to play for some time. We have almost 1 hour 15 minutes because this will close at 6:30, and it's fine, I feel. I just finish up this work and then.
Hey, wait. They're taking photo.
That's fine. The only bad thing about the tourist places is this, where people have no decency, no moral respect. I don't know, whatever that word you can call it as. They just pollute and leave these beautiful places like this. Just look at the waste. This is just something, I guess, not even 5% that I'm showing all over the place. It's from this end to that end. People have just spoiled this place. So it would be a great request if you guys can keep your surroundings clean. Whenever you visit any tourist spot, just make sure you don't litter at that place and keep your surroundings clean. Anyhow, my team is around there, so I will be going up in some time. See you after that. So we now finished our activities for the day 1, the outdoor activities, and we are heading straight back to our resort now. Everyone had a fun in the waterfall. I too went crazy completely. This is a proof of that. So yeah, we're just waiting for our jeep to come over here, and once it comes, we're gonna hop in and just reach back to our vehicle, from there to resort, and let's see what are the activities that we have planned in the evening probably.
It was very relaxing.
Yeah.